Mastering the phrase, play one's cards right. Hello, language enthusiasts. In today's lesson, we're diving into the fascinating realm of idiomatic expressions in English. Specifically, we're going to decode and explore the phrase, play one's cards right. This expression is not only popular but also paints a vivid picture, making it a fantastic addition to your conversational skills. Let's shuffle the deck and deal out the meaning of this phrase together. Play one's cards right is an idiomatic expression derived from card games, where strategic play can lead to victory. In life, as in card games, we are often dealt a hand, a set of circumstances or opportunities. Playing your cards right means using your resources or handling your situation wisely to achieve a desired outcome. It suggests skill, strategy, and sometimes a little bit of luck. This phrase finds its roots in card games like poker, where playing the right cards at the right time is crucial for winning. Over time, it transcended the world of card games and became a metaphor used in everyday language. When someone says, "If you play your cards right," they're generally implying that successful results are possible if the situation is handled correctly. It's often used in scenarios ranging from business negotiations to personal relationships. To help you understand better, let's see how this phrase is used in sentences. 1. If you play your cards right at the meeting, you might just get that promotion. 2. She knew that if she played her cards right, she could convince her parents to extend her curfew. 3. In the competitive world of politics, knowing how to play your cards right is essential for survival. Notice how the phrase seamlessly integrates into different contexts, always implying wise, strategic action. When using this phrase, remember it's about the strategy, not literal card playing. Saying someone played their cards right in an actual card game might be too on the nose. Instead, use it to describe strategic decisions in real-life situations. Also, avoid mixing metaphors. Stick to the card-playing imagery to keep your message clear and impactful. And there you have it, folks. Now you know how to play your cards right in English conversations. Remember, language is the most powerful tool in your deck, and knowing how to use idiomatic expressions can help you ace any conversation. Keep practicing, and you'll surely be the master of English idioms in no time. Until our next lesson, keep shuffling through the beautiful deck of the English language.